What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Right now, I am in a live call with my Discord. They have no idea what I'm about to say. And we're going to be doing some backtesting, okay? So, there is a twist though. It's going to be, we're going to take 10 setups, but instead of me doing the backtesting, I'm going to be doing polls on should we take this or should we not take this, and I'm going to see, are my students going to be profitable? Okay, so we're going to do that, and you're going to have to find out. I don't even know what's going to happen right now, so we're going to watch the whole video. You're going to see what the win rate is at the end of the video, and yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video. All right, who's ready? Who's ready for some backtesting? We're all going to do polls. All right. This is the poll backtest. So I'm going to do create new session. I'm going to start with $50,000. It really doesn't matter. We're going to do NQ only. And I'm just going to close my eyes, close my eyes, close my eyes. Boom, stop. Okay, we'll do June 15th. Okay. All right, let the games begin. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you guys the higher time frame, and I'll be showing you the 1 to 3 minute chart. Okay. I wish there was what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to do this probably. The loss I posted, yeah, that was a joke. That wasn't real. What, the loss after like all those green days? That was a joke. Okay, so what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna have Discord open, and then we're gonna have this open. Nope, not that one. All right, so I'm gonna be doing 2 time frames, and I'm gonna do polls. All right. Now we're gonna start at the next session. Okay, so we're gonna do next session, and I'm gonna leave like the 4 hour up. You guys can say like, can I see the 4 hour? Can I see the 1 hour, etc. All right. And you guys are gonna be able to see that. So let me move my face so you guys can see this. Yeah, this is the free. No, that was a joke, Notoriously. I would never do that. It was someone on Facebook, I think, lost like 17K. They're like up 2K. I think Oksana was the one who posted it. It was funny. Okay, ready? So this is the start of the session. We're going to try to take 10 trades, all right? So someone tailor the trades you take. So I'm just going to show you price action, all right? It looks like right now, this is what we have going on. Looks like we're in a fair value up to the left here. It looks like this is the 9:30 open. So let's just play price and see what happens. Okay, it looks like we have our first potential setup. We're gonna take a vote on this setup right here. All right, I'm gonna do create poll. Y is for yes, Y is for yes, N is for no. It needs at least 60% yes to get voted in. Okay, looks like it's going to be an automatic no. Automatic no. Okay. All right, well, let's see if it works. Oh, looks okay. All right, now we have another setup here. If I go to the 4 hour, you can kind of see the 4 hour looks like here. I can't go to the daily, can I? Go to the daily, you kind of see on the left in the daily, looks like we're in a fair value to the left maybe. So there's your higher time frame. So we're gonna do this. Yes or no for this setup right here. I'm gonna do a poll. We'll go for like maybe 1 hour here. Okay, ready? This is gonna be a poll. Let's do some votes here. Remember, 60% have to vote yes. Oh, okay. So we have 80% of people voting yes here. So hopefully you don't let me down. So we're gonna take this trade. We're gonna target I think this intermediate term high. I don't trust targeting the high above an inverse here. I don't know, I just don't trust it. But maybe we could leave a runner. Let's see what happens. So I'm gonna take it. Now, okay, let me ask you, do a poll. Do I move stop break even here? Yes or no? Y for yes, 2 for no. I'm going to do that. Okay, it's going to be, looks like it's going to be yes. Okay, it's going to be yes. Okay, so let's play price. Let's see what happens. Oh, and the first trade was a loss. So first trade was an L. Now let's see who said no. Let's see who said no. Everyone who said no, shout out to those guys because they know what they're doing. So that was an L. Okay, let's just keep playing price. We'll see what happens. So now that it's hindsight, I'm gonna give you my answer. So I actually would have said no. Okay, and I'll explain why. So I would have said no because I was trying to show you guys higher time frame. The higher time frame here, you can see this 4-hour candle looks very bearish. And to me, it looks like we're going to be in a sell model down to this low. So I would not long here. I would not, even if we got this, I would not long here. I would actually wait for this sell side to hit, and then I'd take a long. So let's just see what happens. And boom. Okay, so now we hit sell side. So I was right about the drawn liquidity. My drawn liquidity definitely was bearish there because just, again, obvious reasons. It looked like this is a sell model, and I wanted that to be hit first. Okay? All right, so let's just see what happens here. Now we hit the drawn liquidity. Just gonna check every time frame here. Okay, this is an A+ setup, but I'm not gonna do votes based off the 15-minute. That's why right there. I don't take the 15-minute time frame. Just the candle close takes too long. Okay, all right. Okay, we're gonna do a poll on this setup right here. We have a 1-minute setup, it looks like. Ideally, what you could probably do here is maybe go for probably go for like this, maybe 1.7R, maybe target this unbalanced gap and premium. All right, let's do a poll. All right, everyone vote. Okay. All right, so now that everyone's voted, I'm going to give my answer before this actually plays out this time. Okay? I'm going to give my answer. So my answer is going to be I think yes, I think this works. So far we've had the opposite answers both times. So probably not a good shot. So I'm not going to take it since you guys voted no, but I'm going to take this in spirit and I'm going to move stop break even here. Let's see. Oh, looks like Dodgy's right. I told you. So let's see, will it be a full TP? No, so it won't be a full TP, but I would have scaled probably half here. So yeah, I would have taken that setup. I felt like that was good setup because we had engineered liquidity here. I like how we have these consecutive highs here. I don't care that we didn't sweep anything. To me, this is obvious enough to still work. And we kind of have L or LR here a little bit. So I would have taken that and I would have probably gotten stopped at break even and scaled some. So far I'm 1-0. You guys are 0-1. Okay, because I would not have taken another trade because I literally said, like, I thought I hinted it well, but I don't think you guys took the hint. I made it very clear the first setup. I was like, look at the higher time frame. Here's a 4-hour, and I don't think you guys saw the slow, but it's whatever. All right, let's just go to next session. All right, here's the next session. Let's see. Here's the higher time frame. Okay, we're gonna do pulling this setup. All right. Yes or no for this setup? Okay, looks like, and again, please vote. I really want you guys to vote. Looks like it's gonna be a yes. Now I'll give my answer. Okay, so it's 60% yes. So I'm gonna give my answer. So my answer, I think I would say yes as well. I like how this 4 hour is. I mean, it looks like we're about to put in a bullish order block. I think this is. I wish I could see this in the 30-second here, but I would say yes for this. I like how we swept this low inside this gap. To me, this is just a bullish signature in price, and then I'd go for probably a. I would honestly target up here. It looks like this could be a higher time frame target, but so yeah, I'd probably do yes for this, and this is what I take. So let's see. So this is the third trade, all right? Remove the stop loss here. Okay, so there it is. So scale half here. So what I'm gonna have to do now is hit the scale half target. Okay, so I'm gonna have to somehow get out for half. Hopefully this does. Okay, there we go. So I'm just gonna scale half there, and then it would not have stopped me for break even. You can see it would not have stopped me for break even there. I don't see. I can't wait. We can't tell technically, right? You need to see like the 5-second time frame. So I don't know if this would have stopped me out for break even. You need to see the lower time frame candle because see how price goes up here, but I don't know if it wicks down in the same candle. I don't know. It could have, if it wicked down here first and then went up, it will not be a break even trade. This is one of the downsides of FxReplay. I don't know if that would have stopped me out, but we're just going to assume this went down first and then up. So you can see it would not have hit the stop loss. And boom, there's TP. So good job, guys. You actually, so we both agreed on a play and it happened to be a win. So that's the first one. So that's what, 3 trades? All right. Let's keep going here. All right. You guys, okay, we're going to vote on this one right here. We're probably going to target maybe this unbalanced gap. Probably target low a day, but I would honestly scale most here, honestly, because I don't know if this is going to bounce off it. All right, so this is going to be the 4th trade. We're going to do a poll. Yes or no? Everyone vote. It looks like the 2-minute inverse as well. The 3-minute, it did inverse too. Again, it needs to get 60% of yeses to take it. Can we get some more votes? There's no equal highs, no. You can see, let's see, let's go to like the 1 hour. So the 1 hour, the 1 hour, we did reject this higher time frame fair value gap. See how the body failed to close above here? Okay, looks like it's a 62% yes. All right, so I'm gonna give my answer. Okay, so my answer is honestly, I probably wouldn't take this one. Okay, this could work, but I wouldn't take it on a live account. I think I'd take this on an eval account. So, but I would not take that. I would say no for this one. I think this is bullish on the higher time frame. I probably think we'd go to here. but I don't know. It's just not something I'd take. Honestly, I would have taken the setup if we got it here, but see how there's no fair value gap here? So this is too low at this point. But because you guys voted yes, we'll take it. Can't change your votes now. Now, what I will do is I will move stop break even if we hit like maybe CE of this wick. Okay, so I'm gonna go stop break even there. And honestly, if we hit like here, okay, type 1 for scale, 2 for no scale. Okay, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scale half. Okay. Tell me if you agree with this. I scale half here and then move the take profit down a low day. Do you agree with that? Okay, I think I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna go for this, but I'm gonna go for higher R, but scale here and then move TP to low day, and now it's a risk-free trade. Boom, baby! Hey, good trade, guys. Good trade. So I would not have taken that. I would have taken that in an eval account, I think. I would not have taken that in a live account. So very nice trade. Now that was what, the 4 trade, right? No, it didn't close above. There's two fair value gaps here. See? The stop loss has to be above both. So stop loss is like really here, but also there's an inception gap. So, all right. So that was that the 4 trade. I think that was a 4 trade, right? Okay, so that was a 4 trade. Now, again, I probably would have only taken an eval myself, but good trade. All right, let's go to the next. Actually, no, let's go here. We'll keep trading this. All right, we have a setup. I'm gonna do yes or no. Yes or no. So the play here would probably be something like maybe like target premium in the range. Probably something like this, and then I'd hold a runner. Let's see. All right, 82% yes. Keep voting, keep voting. Okay, I think it's gonna be yes. Okay, so we will do break even here. Why is it like this? We're gonna have to replay this. Wait, I need to go back. Two, one, two. Okay. Now you can see the 1 minute did get closed above 2. Okay, so we are going to take this because it's an OB, and the 1 minute did get closed above 2. Now I'm going to give you my answer. Okay, now obviously we did just see what happened, but obviously this is in hindsight. What I was looking at here is I was actually looking at the 4 hour here. And do you guys see this little mini gap here? See how we're delivering off this? So my answer would be yes, only because it's 4 hour. Honestly, if we were delivering out of the middle of nowhere here, I don't think I would have taken this. So I would have said no if this was like this, if this wasn't like this. Does that make sense, everyone? So my answer is yes. I think it would be an easy break even, which we already know it's a break even, but even a lot of time, I already know that. And it's because we're delivering from here. So what was I risking before? Does anyone know? Was it 1%? It definitely wasn't 0.5, was it? I think it was 1%, right? Because I lost $500 on the first loss. It must have been 1%. I think it was. Okay. Okay, so there's the break even. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to Do take profit up here. Okay, now I'm going to scale. What I'm going to do is I'm going to scale 90% there and just hold a runner. So I'm scaling there. There may be a sound warning if this hits. Maybe a noise warning. I'm just letting you know. Only if it hits. Which it doesn't look like it's going to, but it still could. Just be prepared to turn down your headphones here. Maybe. Bang! What a trade! Yo, what a trade! No way. So why did I hold a runner there? Yo, type 1 if you took that. Yo, let's go. So why did I want to hold a runner there? Why did I still not sell my whole position there? Yeah, because we were delivering off that 4-hour gap. So what should happen is price should actually go to this high here. Watch this. So price should keep going higher here, honestly. Now, I don't care if it does or doesn't because I get out of the position. So we'll just see. That was a good setup there. Okay, so, and let's see, will it hit? Yep, there it is. So you can see price after delivering out of the 4-hour, it goes from internal liquidity or ERL or IRL, internal liquidity, internal range liquidity, back to ERL, which is this in this fair value gap. Okay. Now, why did I just not make a lot of money on that? So that was a 5th trade. I feel like I should have made more. Whatever. That's weird. I just want to test something. I know I scaled 90, but I thought my... Oh, never mind. Okay. I thought I was at 2,500 before. I was going to say, because I at least took 1 R there. Okay, we'll do this again. So 1, 2, 1, 2. It was right here. I scaled what? I scaled 90%. That makes sense. Okay, I thought for some reason I thought I was at higher. Okay, so that was the 5th trade. All right, let's go to the next session. So let's see if we wait a minute. So if you guys lose the next 5 trades, let's say you lose the next 5 trades, you'll still be green. So we're already in profit for this whole thing. That's awesome. With a little bit of my help because I said the holy runner. I know. Oh my God, dude. Oh, I missed that one. Rip. Oh my God, that was so good. I would have just taken that. Did anyone take this one? Damn, that was textbook. Dude, just look at that. It was so good. It's like the V-shaped like reversal, bro. And you moved stop the break even here. Ugh, that sucks. I would have just taken that 100%. Dude, that's crazy. That's like light bulb. Like, that's like light bulb PA. I don't think you guys understand. Okay, so we're 5 trades. So, did you took it? Nice. Looks like someone took it at least. Good job. Oh, another person took it. Good job. Woodsy, good job. Okay, let's keep going here. That sucks. All right. Well, what I do if now that I missed, I'm gonna log out of my account because I don't want to chase anything else. See, what I want to do now is I'm mad, so I want to chase this one right here, but I'm not going to. I just logged off because if I lost in this one, I would regret that. Okay, let's Let's go back to FxReplay. I would have taken them my funded too, honestly, but we didn't get it. I mean, I was ready. It's all right. That was a good funded trade. It's all right. I gotta stop watching. I'm just gonna go to different charts so I don't pay attention to it. Okay, so we're at 5 trades. So let's just keep going. Let's keep rolling. Yeah, the FOMO was setting for me too, but I logged in my account. Whenever I feel FOMO, I log out of my account. And I don't do anything stupid. Okay, higher time frame is a bit choppy here. All right, do we vote yes or no to skip to the next day? 1 to skip, 2 for to keep going. You guys think skip? Yeah, I think skip too. This is horrible PA. So I would never touch anything in this PA. This is all dead. Monday the June 20th. Is this a holiday? I don't know. This is really low volume stuff. Might be a holiday, honestly. Yeah, this has got to be a holiday, right? Look at this. This is a holiday. This has got to be a holiday. Like what? Look at this PA. This is horrible. Let's see if we stop at 12. Guess not. Yeah, this is horrible PA. Wow. Okay, let's go to the next day. Now, I do want to show you live time. Okay, if I was, I would have just taken a revenge trade. Well, not a revenge trade, like a FOMO trade. I would have longed here. But I logged out of my account. And what I would have done is I would have probably tried this. Would have taken the retest just for RR. Now, I'm not taking obviously anymore because I missed this one, but let's see if it would have worked or not. Or let's see what would have killed me. I mean, low key, it looks good, but I would rather be disciplined than miss that. Okay. Let's see. This is the 1 hour. Let's go to the 4 hour here. Here's a 4 hour. So here's a 4 hour. This is all like choppiness. Okay. Type 1 if we go to the next day. Type 2 if we go to the PM session. Here, you guys are saying 2. All right, we'll go to the PM session, I guess. This is all garbage. This is so bad. Oh my God. Hey, glad to hear. Sorry to hear, Big Bear, but I'm glad to hear that I'm helping you out. Dude, this is horrible price action. You never want to trade this. If you ever see this, get out. I don't care. Get out. Type 2. 1 if we should still keep trading this. Type 2 if we shouldn't. 2. Okay, yeah, I agree. This is horrible. Absolutely horrible PA. Okay, let's go to the next one. Wow, that did an inverse. Okay, so here's a higher time frame. It looks like this is definitely. What do you guys think this is? Bullish or bearish? Definitely, yeah, I think bullish because you can kind of see how we inverse all this, and we're just gapping through everything. So super bullish higher time frame. There's just no doubt about it. So I guess we'll look for maybe a pullback or something to get in long, but I doubt it gives it to us. All right. All right. We're gonna take a vote. All right. Why for yes, 2 for no, or yes or no for this long? I would be doing break even right here, just so you guys know. There's no equal lows. It looks like this was swept. Higher time. This is what the higher time frame looks like. Okay, looks like it's gonna be yes, so we will take this, but it will be a very quick break even. And I will go for that 4-hour buy side right there. All right, break even. Let's see what happens. And break even trade. Let's see. Will it save us? It looks like it's saving us. So that just completely saved us, which I expected. So good trade. I would have, obviously, yes, I would have taken that 100%. Forgot to give my answer before, but could be coming back to like 0.5 here. Actually, we definitely are. See if we get like a setup down here, maybe. Oh, I just missed a setup, I think. Oops. Maybe not. Okay, there is a 1 minute here. I'm gonna do vote yes or no for this one right here. All right, yes or no for this setup right here. Let's get some votes. Let's get some votes, guys. All right, it's gonna be. It looks like a no. All right. So I would actually. I'm gonna give you my answer. I would also give this a no. Okay. I don't think this looks. I don't think this is light bulb. I just would give this a no. Let's see what happens. Right there, boom, baby. Yeah, I just. That's not light bulb to me. I don't know. That's just doesn't look good. You can tell. Like I can just tell if it looks good. That didn't look good. So good vote. It looks, dude, look at this. This is awesome. This is why, Steve, look at this. I saved myself here. Even if this does end up working, well, I don't want to hold through that drawdown. I just completely saved myself there because I know if I miss this trade, I'm not going to take this trade. So discipline, that discipline just saved me right there. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let's go. All right, we got a potential short setup here. I would probably go for like this. Or do a poll. Yes or no on the short setup. Looks like we're delivering from this gap here. All right, yo, let's get some more votes. The votes are slowing down a little bit. Come on, guys. Looks like we got some LRLR here. Okay, so let me give you my thoughts on this. So it looks like to me, yes. So my thoughts, I would say no. I would only take this an eval account. I would not want to fight the higher time frame bias here. This could work, it could not work. It's more of a 50-50 shot to me. So I would personally say no, but you guys are honestly doing pretty well. So I don't know. It's got to close above both here. And boom, stopped out. So that's a setup where you're really fighting the higher time frame. So like I said before, I think buy sides here, I would just not take that setup. I know we had LRLR and I would only take that on eval. I don't, it doesn't make sense to take if you're going against a bias there. So I don't like that one. So far I've been right in every single setup, I think, me personally. You guys have not. All right, another setup here. Yes or no? Everyone vote. So it looks like we took out this low here. We don't have any equal lows. Looks like we took out this high here inside this bearish gap. Okay. So let me just give you my opinions on this. So I'm gonna say no again because I mean I would definitely say yes for an eval, but I don't like how we're going for high resistance liquidity right now. That's one thing I don't like. I don't like how I like how he swept this, but I don't like how there's LRLR below, which is gonna mess up the draw and it's gonna make PA suck. And I also don't like how this is actually the 2 o'clock open. This is the 4-hour candle open right here. This is the 4-hour open. And we did not manipulate below the 4-hour open for us to go higher. We opened and we just pumped. So I don't like that. So I'm gonna say no. Okay, works. Again, I don't care. I would not have taken that. Oh, wait a minute. You guys voted yes, didn't you? Was it on 60%? I have to take that. Okay. I do apologize. I should have taken that. I was going based off what I was thinking, which I was wrong. Let me go back. Sorry about that. I totally forgot. I have to take what you guys take. It was a 60% for a while, right? I think until I started talking. So that would have been a yes for you guys. Good job. I would not have taken that setup personally. Okay, but that's really up to you. And honestly, like some of these will work, and that's why I do take these in eval. They will work. They just don't. You don't understand. They're just like they're like a 60% win rate, which is still good, but I don't know. So good job on that setup. I would not have taken that personally, so I was wrong on that, but good job. So that was the 6th setup. We need 4 more. Okay, what do you guys think about this setup here? Did we sweep this? So it looks like we came up. It looks like we swept this high. Let me do a poll on this one. It looks like this is kind of got a death candle down. Did not break the inverse, and we still have this LRLR below. So this is kind of what you're working with. This is kind of what. Let's check like the 2-minute. Here's the 2-minute. Here's the 3-minute. Here's the 5-minute. Okay, looks like it's gonna be no. Honestly, I would say no too. I'd probably take it as an eval though. Let's just see what happens. I would say no for a live count though. So it kind of works. It's just didn't work cleanly. So there's all the LRLR being ran. So there it is. So I like that for an eval account, not live. It wasn't perfect. And I would have gone south to break even on it too if I even took it on live. So, all right, next day. So we need 7, 8. So we need 4 more setups. Higher time frame has not changed much. I'm doing a YouTube video where you're all voting on the setups. Okay, we're gonna vote on this one right here. It'd probably be something like this. Yes or no? So it looks like we kind of swept low day here. Have decent momentum. We did tap into a 15-minute here. It looks like we're in discount. It's at 10. It's almost a 10 a.m. reversal. All right, only one person. MD trades. Why do you vote no? I'm just curious. So I'm gonna give my answer. So I definitely would take this. I think this looks really, really good. We're delivering out of the 4-hour. We're delivering out of a 15-minute. We swept this sell side here. We kind of manipulate. We didn't manipulate fully under London, but I don't know. I would take this. This looks really good. So let's see. Let's let it rip. All right. Now the question is, do we go to break even here? I'll do a break even. You guys say yes or no. %60% have to vote yes for me to go to break even. Okay, it's gonna be yes. So I will go to break even there. I agree. If we were in live time, I definitely go to break even there. So damn. So would have been a break even trade. Now let's say you didn't go to break even there. You would have scaled half here, 1-1R. So definitely would have been scale half there, but it, unfortunately top ticked us out at break even. So rip. So that was the what, 7th trade? So we need 8. So we need 3 more trades, right? I think 3 more trades. So far you guys are profitable. So keep it up, keep it up. I think this pumps off here. Damn, this is about to pump. This is horrible PA, but it's gonna pump probably. Oh. All right, this is not the greatest. All right, I think I'm gonna go to the next session. All right, we need 3 more trades. 3 more trades. Next session. Big Fry. They're not gonna be similar to my course question. Oh wait, I don't have course questions. So for anyone on YouTube, what he's talking about is I made like my boot camp on WAP, but I made it into a course and I made actual questions for it. So I just re-uploaded my whole boot camp in the WAP.com, and it's gonna be available for free, maybe if it gets 1,000 reactions. And then you guys can go in that and like test it. It's like I think there's over 100 exam questions you can test yourself on. So I'll post a link of that in the description if you guys are interested. Actually, no. How about if this video gets like 500 likes, I'll do it. All right, let's see. All right, yes or no? We're gonna do a poll here, yes or no. So we did hit the 4-hour buy side. We did just tap this as well. It looks like we're gonna do yes or no here. We need 3 more trades. Gennaro, a lot of it comes down to like news events, like predicting news. All right. Ooh, looks like it's gonna be a 100% yes. LeWalrus voted no. So I honestly, I'd honestly probably wouldn't touch some live account. I don't like shorting the first short after like a 1,000,000 point pump. So I would say no, but you guys voted, so we'll take it. I would take this in eval, but I wouldn't take it in live. Was it a break even? I think it was a break even. Let me see. Yeah, that was a break. So this is a break even trade. So yeah, wow, look at that candle. Good thing it was a break even trade. Now, the reason it was a break even trade is because we came down, we tapped this one right here, and we instantly rejected it. And I was just going to break even here because I know if I'm wrong, we're going to pump here. So that would definitely be a break even trade. Please just tell me how to break even. Move this. This is going to be tough. This sucks, guys. I'm sorry. Dude, no way it doesn't let me get out for break even. You got to be kidding me. This is what sucks about FxReplay, dude. I couldn't just exit at break even. Guys, come on, dude. That was such an institutional candle too, bro. Please let me get out of break even. That would have been a break even trade. Oh my god. Oh shit. Let's go. All right, now please don't hit the take profit. Please don't hit the take profit. Dude, what? This would have been a break-even trade. Do you not understand, market? What was this? Was this the A trade? Unreal, dude. Unreal. Sorry. Let's go. All right, there we go. Okay, next session. Perfect. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. All right. I could have went just I forgot I could go back. Okay, so that was the 8th trade. We need 9 and 10, right? 2 more trades. So here's a higher time frame. Ooh, I was gonna, that would have been fine set up, but didn't get it. All right, yes or no? Yes or no? Everyone vote. Probably go for this high right there. Really? You guys are saying no? Okay. All right. So, okay, I get where you're coming from. Low key, I would say yes for this one just because it looks so obvious. But you guys said no, so I won't take it. So it would have been a break-even trade. So I would have gone south of break-even. You can see I would have gone break-even high day. And it looks like it should maybe save me, but we'll see. Maybe not. So would not have saved me. But honestly, that's just super obvious. Okay, yes or no on this setup here. Go for like maybe 1.5 bar or maybe, I don't even know. Okay, looks like it's gonna be yes. All right, all right. So higher time frame wise, we technically haven't closed above this 4 hour yet. Now this is 11 o'clock, so we still got a lot of time left. We manipulated above the 4 hour open, so we're above the 4 hour open, which makes sense. We have I think this is pretty obvious. I'd probably, it's not my favorite setup, but it's not like light bulb to me, but I'll give it like an A setup and I'll still try it. So I would say yes on this one. It's not my favorite setup though. It's not like a light bulb reaction, to be honest. So I don't know. And boom, stop. Oh, not yet. So that would have been a stop out. So yeah, it's not like it just wasn't light bulb. I don't know. I can't explain it. It's just not light bulb. It's like something maybe I'll try, but it's just not light bulb. Like you can tell if a setup's light bulb or not. That's just, to me, that's not light bulb. So I don't know. So honestly, it also depends on like if we have news tomorrow. Like if we had news the next day or we'd CPAD next day, I wouldn't touch that. It honestly just depends. But all right, so one more trade. You guys are still profitable, so you guys are still doing pretty well. Ooh, that was a good trade. See, this is light bulb. Look at this. This is light bulb. Boom, boom. So good. All right, you guys have one more trade left. Use your last trade wisely. All right. Short setup right here. Who the hell is more trades? All right. Right here, everyone, vote. All right, it's gonna be no. So I would say no too, but I feel like this is DCD eval trade. I would just say no too. It's not obvious, but good eval trade for sure. So that failed, or that worked actually. Okay, looks like we're in the higher time frame for. It looks like we're in the 4 hour inverse, and we're in this 4 hour prevailing gap. So let's see, is there any obvious prevailing gap on any time frame here? Kind of one on the 5 minute. All right, yes or no? I'll do yes, I'll do no. Okay, so guys voting yes. So let me give you my answer. I would agree. I would say yes, only because we're coming out of this 4 hour inversion and only because of this. But it's not light bulb to me, however. It's not light bulb because we're still technically, we haven't broken this and we don't know if we're going to break this. So it's not light bulb to me. So this might not work. Usually light bulb setups for me work like 99% of the time. This is definitely not a light bulb setup. This is like this is an A setup that's like decent, but honestly, if this was not here and we had a little more engineered liquidity here, then this, yes, would be light bulb. But there's not really too much engineered liquidity yet. And I don't like how this is there. But I would still say yes. I'm still taking this every time. And yeah. Maybe I just want to ghost heavy. I don't know. And it's just because this is a hard high to hit sometimes. So let's see what happens. Okay, there we go. So again, it was a win as I expected. I mean, I said yes, like I would take this in a live count every time. Now, how much do we scale? I'll do scale. We're going to do 25, 50, 75, 100. Everyone vote. It's at about a 1R, and we hit this high. We hit, looks like we took out, not London High yet. London High would be up here. Okay, looks like 75% is the answer. Okay. Interesting. So I'm going to do 75%. Honestly, I would only scale 50 here every time, but I mean, look at this. We're delivering out of an hourly. We have equal highs here in the 4 hour. Look, well, not equal highs, relatively equal. There's no reason for this not to hit, but yeah, see, I would have only scaled 50 there, but hey, that's up to you guys. I'm not going to tell you to do, but I would have had confidence in that TP. So, all right, well, that was 10 trades. Let's see. What are the analytics looking like? All right, all right. Wait, what happened to the other stats? Oh, right there, I see. So we have a 60, you guys, oh, it was 11 trades by accident. So you guys had a 62% win rate. You're up 5% of the count. You did pass an eval account. Your average RR was 2.93. Okay. That's pretty good. You had 2 red days. Oh, this was the banger day. I remember this day. It took you less than a month to pass an eval account, which is what you want. Let's see. Would we be profitable on a simulation though? That's the real question. Let's do 20 simulations, 300 trades a sim. All right. Looks like you guys would be profitable. So, all right, cool. So that is the end of the video. So the answer is yes, my students can be profitable with pulls. And just an update, I just want to give you guys an update on this. So you can see, because I missed this trade here, I logged on my live account knowing damn well I would have probably tried to take this trade, and what happened? I would have gotten wrecked. Now, obviously, it technically did hit the break even, so I probably would have gone to break even, but all in all, in hindsight, it looks like I would have gotten wrecked. Now, because of my model, I don't get wrecked, but you can see that's why discipline's important. So that is it for today's video. I appreciate you guys watching. Let me know if you guys want me to do another round of this. Maybe everyone can participate, but that was kind of fun. And yeah, that's it. There's the results. And I know it's only 11 trades, but honestly, if we did 10 more trades, I'm sure it'd be similar results. So, all right, that's it. I'll see you guys later. Peace.